Hey guys, it's Stacy here with Modern Day Tech. I want to tell you why I'm loving my Ninja 10-in-1 Foodi oven. So, it comes with 2 sheet pans, 2 wire racks that you insert on one of 4 levels. So there are 4 levels that you can use at the same time or independently inside the oven. There's an air fry basket, a roasting tray, a crumb tray that you can easily pull out to clean off your crumbs, as well as an owner's guide and a recipe guide. So it's really easy to use. I actually am not always a fan of instructions, so sometimes I just like to pull something out and try to use it and see how I do. So you turn it on, you can select what function you want. There's a button for the light and a button for whether or not you're cooking on 1 level or 2 levels. You select which function you want, you set the time, and you set the temperature. It preheats in 3 minutes or less, even to higher temperatures like 425. Then you put your food tray in and you're ready to go. I've noticed it takes probably like the full time instead of when you see a time range of maybe 10 to 12 minutes, it tends to take about the full 12 minutes. But that could be because I'm just pushing the time limit a little bit. I'm usually always in a hurry when I'm cooking for my kids. So you can do air fry, you can roast and bake. This is fantastic for your nuggets and your French fries, or even something more fancy. You can fit an entire 5-pound chicken in here. It cooks fast, it cooks well, and it's pretty easy to clean up. It fits nicely on the counter, and I have no complaints so far. I may never actually need to use the big oven again. I hope you find this helpful.